I will teach you how to create these AI trending images for free in this tutorial. Launch your browser and look for Bing AI image. On this one, click Next, select Join and Create. You must use your Microsoft account to log in. If you don't have, you can create one. Select Next to access your account and log in. You are also free to use these templates. Alternatively, just enter prompt here to create the image of your choice. I want to type this: 3 children wearing green shirts and watching a match in cricket stadium. Press the Create button. To preview the image, click on it. You can download it from this link if you like. I will end the video now. I would be interested in knowing about your experience using Bing AI. Post your ideas and outcomes in the space provided for comments below. For more incredible tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it useful. I really appreciate it. Remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.